In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom phone call features. First, let's navigate to the Zoom website. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and enter the web address for Zoom's main platform. This is where you'll start all your Zoom endeavors. Once the site loads, look for the Sign In button in the top corner. This step is crucial to accessing all the functionalities Zoom offers beyond just joining meetings. Next, after clicking Sign In, you will need to log in to your account. Here you see an option to sign in with Google, which many users find to be the most straightforward way if your account is connected through Google. Select the Google button to proceed. Once you do, you'll be redirected to a familiar Google login page where you'll need to choose the account that's associated with your Zoom. Make sure you select the correct Gmail account to avoid any hassles accessing the Zoom interface through this method. After successfully logging in, you will find yourself at the Zoom Home dashboard. It's now time to move on to the Products section, where you will be exploring the different communication tools, including the phone feature. Click on Products to reveal the full range of offerings available. You might notice that there are several products to explore, but today our focus is on understanding the phone capabilities of Zoom. Once in the Products section, look specifically for Zoom Phone. This is where you'll find comprehensive features designed for voice communication. It's important to note that while accessing the Zoom Phone requires a paid license, understanding your options can be greatly beneficial, especially if your business or personal needs extend beyond typical video calls. Now click on Phone. As a note, remember, Zoom Phone is primarily used by businesses and educational institutions. It offers robust features like voicemail, call recording, and a virtual receptionist. This tool is great for anyone who's looking to merge video conferencing with seamless telephony integration. Now moving forward, if you're curious about pricing or considering unlocking more features, make sure to click on See Pricing. Zoom provides various plans tailored to different needs, which you can explore in detail here. Understanding the pricing structures will help you decide if extending your communication capabilities with Zoom Phone is the right choice for you. And that's it! You've now successfully learned how to navigate through the basic setup and explore the essential features of Zoom's phone capabilities. Remember to consider your communication needs and evaluate whether a Zoom Phone plan could enhance your daily operations. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to explore further or reach out if you have any more questions about utilizing Zoom Phone in your workflow.